What's up, Crypto Crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Mite, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto ocean. So if you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto Crew, today we'll be diving into some bullish developments behind the scenes regarding institutional adoption through Kaspa KII. Always remember, Crypto Crew, success comes to those who patiently wait. And not only so, but with glory in tribulations also, knowing that tribulation worketh patience, and patience experience, and experience hope. Just like silver, Kaspa will increase in value over time. And like any asset, Crypto Crew, you should protect it. Your Kaspa coins should be held offline on a cold storage, and in my opinion, your best option is the Tangent wallet. Plug and play, easy to use, allowing you to have self-custody over your crypto assets, over your Kaspa coins. And also, Tangent is the most affordable option for you at the moment. So if you wish to order your Tangent wallet today, you can get 20% off for a limited time. Link in the description box below. Thanks so much for your support in advance.
I want the project to be very decentralized, and there's a natural tendency to form communities around founders. And I hope and wish the community to be formed around itself. And I wish myself to just be part of it. Thanks for everyone for coming, and just consider me one of the crowd.
As mentioned before, in my opinion, Kaspa's biggest gain happens in the long term, specifically through institutional adoption. Kaspa KII is actively paving the way for Kaspa to get this type of worldwide adoption. It kind of reminds me what Kaspa KII chairman Paul van Son mentioned months ago during Kaspa KII's first public event in Dublin, Ireland.
I would make a call of action, actually, to all of us. If we like this idea of Kaspa, we like the idea to bring Kaspa into the field, into the industry, then let's go for it and really fight for it. And if people come and tell you this will not happen, it is possible, and we are going to make it happen.
At the making of this recording, Kaspa KII is in Abu Dhabi, UAE, showcasing one of the major projects, Gigawatt Stablecoin, to Kaspa KII's energy industry colleagues, which, according to reports on X, was received well. This Gigawatt stablecoin is an example of the type of solutions to major issues in diverse industries worldwide that Kaspa will offer through the leadership of Kaspa KII. Now, here to explain more about the Gigawatt stablecoin is Rory O'Neill from Kaspa KII.
Stablecoins represent a bridge between the familiar world of traditional finance and the exciting possibilities of Kaspa technology. So stablecoins are a unique solution for businesses that are hesitant to dive headfirst into sometimes volatile world of cryptocurrencies. And unlike traditional cryptos, stablecoins are designed to maintain a stable value. So this is typically achieved by pegging them to a reserve asset like the US dollar or a basket of other assets. This stability is what makes stablecoins so compelling for businesses and for exchanges. In 2023 alone, fiat-backed, traditional cash-backed stablecoins facilitated over crypto $7 trillion worth of transactions globally. So that's more than the value processed by MasterCard and PayPal combined. So this remarkable volume highlights the increasing demand for stablecoins, not just within the crypto community, but from businesses and institutions that are seeking a faster, more efficient, and more secure way to transact value and settle contracts. At KI, we've recognized the transformative power of stablecoins, and we're already actively working with third parties to integrate stablecoins into the Kaspa ecosystem. And that'll leverage Kaspa's high scalability, low transaction fees to create a platform where stablecoins and stablecoin transactions are processed at minimal costs, and all of the security, transparency, and scalability superlatives that we've talked about in terms of Kaspa. So this is the future of payments, a future where businesses can move value globally with unprecedented ease and speed and security, all whilst harnessing the power of the decentralized financial system. As KII, as we continue to build these bridges between Kaspa and global finance, we're also pioneering some solutions of our own that will drive the transition to the zero carbon economy. Today, we're unveiling something that we think is going to revolutionize how the world powers itself and finances its energy future. We've discussed Kaspa's groundbreaking technology and its impact on finance. And now we're taking it a bold step further, building towards a zero carbon economy and bringing a native stable coin to Kaspa. So Gigawatt Coin isn't just another stable coin, it's a financial instrument designed for the energy sector. Built on Kaspa's ultra-scalable proof-of-work tech, it's backed by real-world assets like renewable energy credits, carbon offsets, green bonds, physical energy infrastructure, as well as a basket of select fiat assets. It's fractionizable down to the kilowatt hour. And what that means is every fraction represents a real unit of energy. And it means that energy can become a globally tradable financial asset. Instant settlements on energy-related transactions can happen via Kaspa. We believe that this has a lot of potential in terms of allowing people to trade, invest in clean energy, and settle energy contracts as easily as any other commodity. What we want to do is we want to go kind of one step further, and we want to look at the environmental impact of the stablecoin. Gigawatt Coin is designed to offset its carbon footprint from the outset, and over time become carbon negative by over-collateralizing carbon credits, locking them away from the market. And by doing that, we actively reduce carbon emissions with every transaction. This means that the more Gigawatt Coin is used, the more we contribute to removing carbon from the market. What we want to do is we also want to move away from the petrodollar dominated system. And Gigawatt Coin positions itself as a key player in the energy transition to net zero, to unite trade for emerging forms of new energy. So Gigawatt Coin for us isn't just about energy, it's about creating a sustainable, scalable financial instrument for the future. We're starting this process, and we want to ensure that Gigawatt Coin will be fully compliant with key regulatory frameworks, including MiCA, the evolving US stablecoin regulations, the evolving regulations in the MENA region and UAE, and other energy and carbon compliance standards that are emerging in BRICS nations.
Overturning the dominance of the US dollar, Russian President Vladimir Putin hopes he has the support to take on the West's dominance of the global economy.
I'm convinced that acting together in unity, we will be able to fulfill our country's potential in the economy, investment technology, and human capital to strengthen the positive impact of BRICS on worldwide developments and make the world safer and more harmonious. The BRICS nations want to turn away from the US dollar, and in finding an alternative, they are looking into blockchain technology. Bitcoin may be the outstanding option because of its notoriety. However, due to BTC's inability to scale, that option will eventually become obsolete. Quite frankly, the BRICS nations will have no other option than to turn to the only crypto project on the crypto ocean that can do what even Bitcoin cannot, solving the trilemma, and that is Kaspa.
And we want to ensure that Gigawatt Coin is legally robust and ready for global adoption. So we're creating a hybrid collateralization mechanism that combines energy credits, carbon offsets, green bonds, physical infrastructure, and selected fiats. And it aligns the financial performance of the financial instrument with the global energy transition. And energy assets tend to be very, very stable. They're built to last long periods of time. They're stable assets. In many cases, they're designed for decades. What we want to do is also to be able to use Gigawatt Coin as a way of helping accessibility and flexibility to allow people to have greater access to the energy markets and turn energy into a tradable asset. As I say, native to Kaspa, operating on Kaspa's proof-of-work technology. The technical foundations are real-time, secure transactions, high throughput, high scalability, and most importantly, censorship resistance. We don't want bad actors manipulating the price of Gigawatt Coin as a stablecoin. The entire way Kaspa network is designed as a completely censorship resistant by default.
With the crescendo, Kaspa running on 10 blocks per second, and the implementation of smart contracts all to unfold in 2025, Kaspa is setting itself up for massive adoption in not only major industries, but also on governmental levels. Even President-elect Donald Trump understands the importance of stablecoins.
As part of our effort to provide regulatory clarity, we will create a framework to enable the safe and responsible expansion of stable coins, allowing us to extend the dominance of the US dollar to new frontiers all around the world.
And with pro-crypto advocate Paul Atkins as the newly appointed SEC chair, Kaspa is indirectly connected, as Atkins is part of the Securitized board, a company partner with Zodia Custody, a major player on the crypto ocean, which has just listed Kaspa, allowing institutional investors to have a safe and regulated way to hold Kaspa coins.
And you're bearish on Kaspa right now?
And with these developments brewing in the background, crypto crew, I believe 2025 is going to be a monumental year for Kaspa, and that includes all of you Kaspa investors right now. Prove all things, hold fast that which is good, because success on this crypto ocean, crypto crew, comes to those who patiently wait. And not only so, but we glory in tribulations also, knowing that tribulation worketh patience, and patience experience, and experience hope. Crypto crew, all of your long suffering or patience for Kaspa will be rewarded. It's just a matter of time and adoption.
Stick around.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean. Grow in grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say aye.